Or not correct.
When money reflected to
It's
the county
okay.
account from this
It's
checker.
okay.
Yes.
And you have had us alleging and producing evidence that that is the money that was meant for the bursary. Yes? Go with me to page number 1.
No, let me answer the question.
okay.
Mr. Speaker,
Go to me.
no, I can't go there to answer the question.
Okay,
Mr. Speaker,
let him answer, then he
Mr. Speaker, the lawyer is behaving like his client. He just wants to mislead the House. I was very clear about the bursary funds. These transactions, Mr. Speaker, are dated 15th June 2019. The financial year ended in 2020 September.
I hear you, Mr. Governor.
That's fine.
But as much as I hear you, I want you to refer to page 76 of the same document. Are you there? 76?
Give me a minute, please. 70. Which page, please, Council?
76.
76.
Mr. Kenyanjui, don't coach the witness. He is my witness. You'll have time when I yield.
I'm the Senate's witness, not your witness, please.